ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
Ombaro ki Samla puli ki lawan kinjo syaka kerdan kum ki doktor ki nongya sad an ki barikor ni ki engineer. Kelak bandai na ki babun ki daw le se kimlong ki bapro ha ka puli putih. Watla kat taru omdai pat bandu mensim namar keni ka khana ka bangi wanra syapi menta kedai syapang ka we ni ki lat ki lenti man yok kam yok jam. Hajila jongi kidon katu kat ni kislam ai jingi kai pentebet na kebenta ki Khun Samla ki ba omshim lala ban beteng lani ban pendap ya ki jing puli jongki. Tungunya pai menta syakawe ni kita kislam ai jing hikai kabla tip kum ka Tornado Security Agency. Hangi kidon ki Samla ki bedang kilan met kat kum ke jing betha jing ki nong hikai lani ki instructor.
Squad, berbentuk, berkecil. Squad, semir. Squad, belum kena lihat, tayar hujau. Up, down, up.
Te pertanyaan atau suniwan hisuchen te hakadi ke port do ke suaban wan senile ke training ngala adep ngala sedang join ke training NCC haka 42 Meghalaya Battalion NCC te ngas sedang ban join ke training NCC haus 6 arhajar khat khandai te ngadap haus 6 arhajar arpuar te mentala long kum incha changne Tornado Security Agency hamawyang rim chelong.
Kakerteng jonga adi lanu samar banyang ngala pendap ke NCC jonga ke 61 Girls Meghalaya ban mentang along kumi assistant instructor jong hane po Tornado Mawyong.
Kakerteng jonga adi Mary gaja jonga adi sujai nga one training hangne de ha ubanai Julai nga pas training ubanai Agos nga jon tre hangne ha ubanai September shitarik an ngadai kum ino hikai kum I assistant instructor hane po mauyung rim torado security agency.
Te ka training so pesan sini ai hang dia training center mauyong. Te nadu men step ngila ya ka morning walk, ka physical training, hadin ketu ngila ya ka parade, ka drill. Te hadin ketu ngis dang sa ka theory class. Te hadin ka theory class ngila sa ka social activities. Te hadin ketu pat te ki kena ki yo ban res, kila ban litsum, kila ban lekai games. Hadin ketupat ngiyo ya ka dinner. Te ka training te ngiyo ang niru ka training ka self defense. Arsin ha ka sitayo ka singi Saturday bat ka singi Sunday. Te ya ka Indian Red Cross ru ki wan hikai nang ne ha ka kumto lai singi sau singi ya ka Indian Red Cross. Alright. Te ya ka tupat te namar swabakin wan kedang long ro ha. Te ting ka disiplin ru kedang duna ha. Te ting buncai te ya ka to ki ke baro te ni penbaik mangi ni hikai ngi. Te hadin ketua andala dep ki ya ka sau pesan singi. Te kila anang ya kata ka nadu ka training kumno ban ketia kumno ban respect we kumno ban pen disiplin. Te ka training jongki ka yai be si san beje hado lai beje. Ka training kalong nadu ka singi Monday hado singi Saturday. Te tangka singi Sunday men step ngi yo ka self defense. Te hadin ka self defense kila yo ban res boro si singi.
Ka apalagi ngaban jen ani ting kawai ru nga ya ka longi kum ka experience bad pada ba ayur ka yarap ngi ba kumno ngi kum ki konsumla ngi la ban yo kam Lyngba ka Lyngba ka security ka training hani te ka biang ba ka training ni men step ngi yo ka morning walk dep ka morning walk ngi yo breakfast ru ka biang ngi dep parit untuk ngi yo saka lunch break untuk ngi syong saka theory class dep ka theory class ngi yo saka ban lekai ban yo social work untuk dep social work ngi yo saka ban lekai games any games ki longkum football ki games volleyball ki bahasa smart lekai ngi kum ki para kena hangat te kabiang kabam sini kisngo ki parlok ba wan training lang ni yang kabam te kabiang ngi kabam ni kitia ni te smart baro ki untuk sau steng sau beje untuk kile kilot baro haba wan training ni sngo kum bagi along part of any kind of force untuk ya long part gitu kesngo ba kalau training ini kalau kaseriam te bat ki training jong ki any kind of force untuk ya memang ingin tip ka training bakan long kum ni tamba dalawan hani pat ngiyo training kum ni stonat pat ka training bakan long kum ni
Daduk pada BA ngalak syonging buat sistem te ngala song thaj mong syong haying te ngayuk sengo badan kane ka training hang ne tan ki parlok syong ki ba treya kane ka tornado security te ki ong ba kadan ka training sa pesan singi te ngaru ngapan ken ke jingtip ngasawan thep me pat ha nyala apply jong MLP ro ngala apply field exam kan ka training ne ka biang isar I best ha I hikai be haduk banginda song thu bi ba ro ki jing training ki theory e Daduk morning walk tu isar idan kat lang bi ban ngi daduk bang yawan hang ne ngi asutu ba kane ka training kalong bi kum jong polis tu iyo experience ki physical training ru ki asrim kum jong polis te ngai la jong ngaku pulit tema ngasuk tenat banan hang ne hoi ngidan ki jing seir bat sakawiru hakapor bangidang sedang ban wane kong ngemtip karukom komno bangi haban le komno ngi haban training hendrai Lyngba hak bangi wan hakani kajaka ngis ngau yo shibun ki jing hikai bat teng teng hak jing seir men sem ka jongi ngis ngau don jing kermen ngis ngau yo jing kermen ban yo ki kam ki jam ki jongi wala ngide ki bala yo ban de hak school ki ba malum malaru hendrai teng teng ngis ngau do jing kermen Lyngba ngi yo ban wan hakani kajaka ngis ngau ba ka ai men sem shibun yangi bangin yo ban yo ya kalat ban yo ban wat kam shane shatai Lyngba kan ka training kade kaman sobha jongi namar kijing kibabun kibangi kendo hakalong yeng long sem te kade kajing kathong ka jongi kabangi ngi kwa nadu kamen sim bangi wan shane ka training ban yo ya kikam kijam kijongi ban yo ya rap haye sem jongi kamise ka jonga shabaro ki pra samla kalong ba persang banwan hakini ki training kenang ba phiru phenyo lem ya kalat ban yo kam yo jam wala hakalong hakanu kanu kerkom ngindan ke experience hakajing em ka jongi bat bangen yo ru ya ki kam ban yo ban yarap hayeng hasam kahop ngamla ban batai ngampat dep ke training hendrai kajing kermen kadan bat Lyngba kene ke experience ke banga ngayo hangni ngan persang ban wat kam shani shatai kat banga yo
Las dang ning kong ya kani ka shlam house nam arajar kharway but suki la pin kha sa shayoksi la ajing hikai ki khenna haki batch but kani kade ka batch ka basan unong penya jong kani ka shlam ajing hikai ude ba arnal em lanong uba yala de min shwa ulong teng ubaunsa
na kateng Arnold M Lanong bolong ru director jong kani ka Tornado Security Agency basong basa apa Lower Cliff Colony ia kani ka security agency actually ngala stangho Project August arjar khatway te kajing sedang jonga ka datang ben aikam gi khna ban yo kam yo jam gi khna samla jongi ki ba bala pas class 8 hapor bang dang sedang arjar khatway te ka site ngim padon hi ngi dang don kum lai benyo tang sausan ngot ngi dang don baga agency jongi ro kade balang thamai badang sudang seng hatu ko por hila don ki bala rim ki security agency nga sukwa ban ke ai kateng kum ba pathau badon ya ka ranger dan colonel susupal kido ki bala rim ba tengi ngaro ngala thrang bhai ban eu ban because muswa ngala Pahara kum bouncer le ni kum volunteer pese iwan ki group na po away partai ban man teman put sini badon bat ki khna jonga ki don arpo lai phongun ki se Pahara dan nantu par kalam don syo kajing tem jing put kala duna ni baka jakarum dan te hau ajar khatway tengah seng no daga Tornado Security Agency penyo kam yo jam ki khna ka jing ai ha tornado hui ha ka ten parengi khot tornado ha ka treng khasingi khot ka lang thri atau ka air lang thri tenga so hun bagan ai da ni ba nanti nga so mon kata ka tenga so ai no da ka teng ni ba kan don kata ka ki khot ka air lang thri kata ka long ba konsan masuk ni la don lupa ka office ban ai kam ajam gi khna te ya kan ni ka training center ngi yo hau arajar khatsan ngi yo ya ka license na po home police te na stang hi ban ai training muswangi tai obat ka don bosko po mau jurong na to ka jing kam soi hab jumut te ngi break up na ya ka agreement bat ka don bosko te ngi le hi ki training ki khna bo wan join po tornado security ngi ai training hi mengi kata khatsan sngi te ya ba mentah hi ngi don bok bagi yo ya kan ni jaka hani po mau yong through gide ki dorbas nong ki ai ke NOC ngi don bok bagi yo trai jaka ban ai nga kan ni jaka ki khon jong ba le ron sen lendo te ngi sedang ni kan ni ka training hapo mau yong ka de hau penai Oktober kan ni ka de headquarter hapo Shillong ngadon sakawai ka sub center ka bade hapo UC West Gentle ha jing si wadon because ki hapsa saupusan singi jing sa saupusan singi jongki kin hawan ra tang ka bidding ka bam ka di ka ngi provide ka breakfast lunch tea but dinner nang tapat ngi ai ki tracksuit ki t-shirt ki juti ki tupia nang tapat ngi ha saupusan singi pila sotu ka keren gi khna mane ko keren gi instructor jonga bat ki yu bagi ai ka training na do step san baji hado lai baji dan nanti kadang ngi la kila pas ki khana nane ki yo ya ka certificate ke belong konsani bala itu da sarkar government of Meghalaya home police ya kani ka long pan India hi kila ban apply ki la di ki kwa ban tre ban ngaru la don jaka ngala first preference ngala ai ki te kila ban tre ban no manuru ki yo ya ka kamba kila yo jengi kai babet ha kani sa pesan singi ha hania po mau yong rim ngi don laingot ki instructor actually nga doni ki bawan na po armed forces lene na ki yu de tang ta ki de ki bre no ba tanga ya la di nga kwa ban encourage si khna samla la jong jongi ban ai ka majam tanga wa di khna NCC te ki don ki bala pas NCC ki don pila ko bala batai mane ya pi ki do lai ngi bala don sar suchen dan kong linosha ba di kong meri te ki do ki bala long expert hi tanga bo iki ban ai training khana pe dei khana khasi khana jentie ta language problem kam don hanta ke ta bobo ni ki khana ki bawan ne te ki dei na po Meghalaya ai te bon khana khasi jentie ai na manta ka ni ban ni la sedang pas manta ka hi ba dei ka fifth batch manta te ka ni fifth batch ngin don ya ka passing operate apo laiterik u manta benai laiterik te na do bas dang do first hado fifth manta ngi training la cross ya kalai spa hapo mau yong rim lani hapo yuksi pat ngila cross ya ka san spa ai bel adep ajing ke khna ke total maybe around 7 to 800 boys and girls ngi bel adep ai training la boni ki khna nga ai kam ya company la jong dan ki yo kam ru sawe kila le trei daladi because ki sin pila le hi le pi wan ha company jong ane pila ya no company ru kin pe ki kot kisla jong pi it should be class sin kila i certificate man kila long sure ba kila yo ba ka kam because kila tip 45 days namla ban sure ai ba certificate kum to ki hab go on the training to gile no company ru kita hi tangka main ka main hi ka de bandan ba ka police verification is very must now ki boni khna nga doni ne ki khna boni ke long ying long sam do kam dai ka ba biang ki khna ki bon hab join ni la dai ka kam security la ne ka training ni ngila sem class 8 salor ke dai ben long class 8 pass kata dai na ka notification jong government of Meghalaya ke dai it should be class 8 pass khat pras nem salor aku mu director jong ka agency nga request ki khna samla kan thai sanrang ba tapi kwa ban yo jing kai ya ka kam security soba ban wan hangi hani apo moyong ka bakateng tornado training center te ka office ka dan apo lai mukra ha care of hotel highway ka office ka plan ro shpo do san baje ki number ki se ai be apo whatsapp la ni apo mobile ka ngila flash up be hantu te through channel jumping atrai kan yo jing rap bon ki khna ke long ying la sing kin tip ba kin yo ban ai jing ke hani po training school jong ni ki badan is kasil ne riboy ki la pan wan sapo mau yong rim ki badan sapo jente hil ki la ban le sapo so center jong ni kin dan po yuksi ki la ban le register ki hante po yuksi ru la don in charge jong about commander pendap lang muksor jing join yang ki khana ane kala long kumba ki don ki fast batch ki thu ki long pramaki through prolog nan through Facebook ngi dan po social media ru na through kita hai ki ibe ki agentip nangi nani rungi khot khana tendon ki beriu ki berap yang on yalam na po soyong na jentel na po riboy dan ki beriu ki polok bejan ki kwa ban yalam ki khon ki ti ni ki polok marjan ki ban yalam ban ai training ne po training center janga
Hakalai trik urempang araja apusau la penlong yaga program passing out parade hangni hamauyong ha ka ba menteri sarkar upe yakatna tourism ulalong kumukongsan
We tornadoes security trainees do undertake and pledge to accept the responsibilities and obligation of my role, protecting life and property, preventing and reducing crimes against my employer and other organization and institution to which I am assigned, upholding the law and respecting the constitutional rights of all people, to conduct myself that reflects credit on myself and my employer, to strive to continually to improve my performance. This I pledge. So help me God. Jai Hind.
Uwe naki Rio Krau Jong Kapatay Nong Tho Ralph Waldo Emerson Wong nothing great has ever been achieved without enthusiasm. Msumdan ke ke ba kraw ke ba lala ban le perthai klem ke jing shit ram. Jangai ya kan ke jing shit ram hafring jopi ki samla ki ba shimbenta ha kan ke passing out parade. But kalong shisha kadak ke ba ai jikermen ba iwe piwe na pi buôn ngai piwan na ki long yeng long sem ki ba ya struggle phap yak sa ha ka yo ka kot ha ka ki ka kamai henrai da ka jing kerku kerdo ka jong ublei bat ka jing lam liti ka jong imei pa jong pi pilala ban ni don ha ka ni ka lumpung mentaka step pat pendap ya ka ni ka training ka jong pi but nang tu banyo benta hakane ka tornado security agency the pemi pasek ya ki kam ki jam kini ki security agency kumungi ibenta ilanong dot kambut ki namar tang ka sorka pat ki buat pulit kim nomla man pendap ya ka jing dot kam ya ka jing dawa juga kam namangi lapai haka stage ke bagi pendon kidon shibun ki events kidon shibun ki festival kidon shibun ki jingi kenduk ki batawa bagi private security agencies in one syakmat but kani lalong kalat kaleti kamatau kamai but kamai yarapu iki samla ki jongi bagi long gainfully employed ngai ya kani ba ngimda isu bagi nuhun ba ngicupek syaka sorkar batang syaka sorkar na benta ka kam kejam gidan kam ya kani guwei bat kata kadoi bagi dot kam ya kata bagi ongka passion kajing shitham the zeal of a missionary. Gidan halaka jong ka mission bagi pentep ka jingim na kwa ba pi isamla aswa ba nginyu i ki pat ki program kut jimbot kumba fellowship ya ka pledge mentan kut jimbot ba pinle ya ka bahatam pinlong ka asset ya ka imlang salang to be an asset to society, an asset to mankind. Ibedan hangi barok ngia iit ngia sojan ngi soba mlong bangila daga mi i yaki khun ki kiti gi jongi tang sitayoru andrai kata kam dei kam sim jong ki kibe ki pa ki ba perhat maga benta ki khun gi joki ya chapang kum ki samla gidai ka jai pendriu ka ba red pai andrai ka jai pendriu ka baron ka sap kemudian ubleu lathe shibun kejingkurku ya gani gari kejongi
Desmond! Desmond!
Pengsan din semle, pengsan din semle. Nebalin karkungor, nebalin karkungor, ne ay dapat warnang pat. Bala kentu karkungor, bala kentu karkungor. Iba.
Well, in the year 2005, the Government of India has enacted an act. It's called Private Security Regulation Act. Based on that, the security agency is being created in the country as well as in Meghalaya. In this system of the security agencies, you have to obtain the license from the government, like Tornado Security Agencies, one of the renowned agencies in the Shillong. They obtain the license from the Government of India, Government of Meghalaya, and obtain the license for the training center in Shillong only. Based on this license, they are conducting the training center, because as per the act, all the security guards must have been trained. They should be disciplined one. They should know little idea of the law. Accordingly, government has issued the syllabus of the training, like Indian Penal Code, firefighting, first aid, CRPC, Arms Act, and drill, discipline, etc. We are successfully giving the training to them, and they are going to the field and protected their own place, own land, own community, own state. It is a very plus point that our indigenous boys and girls, they are coming forward to join the security guard and willingly to protect their own place, own land, own community. Result of which, not only they establish their future, but also the unemployment problem also being solved. You'll be happy to know that today, tornado agencies, tornado security agencies is generating the bread of about 100 plus children who are working under the Tornado Security Agency and establish themselves here. They are not the burden of the guardian, father or mother or whatever. They are earning their own money. There is a history in our agency. Some of them join after matriculation, but they did the duty here. We have given the full opportunity for the education, and they completed their graduation. And they have been trying to get some good job also, because government job is limited, population is increasing. So this security agency, one of the best step of the government to give our children bread. The security agencies, you might have seen their training, way of the training, especially obstacle, because they are being trained for the disaster management. Disaster nowadays is a common. How to jump, how to rescue the people, how they are supposed to protect themselves at the same time to protect the others and others' property. As per the law, as per the Indian Penal Code, one chapter is there, is called Right of Private Defense, under section 96 to 106 Indian Penal Code. In the right of private defense, they are given an ample of opportunity, ample of power to every citizen to protect themselves and protect others, to protect their own property as well as protect their other property. So it is a very plus point in the society that our own indigenous people are coming forward to help others. Thank you. Well, I was an ex-police officer. I have retired as Deputy Superintendent Police from the Meghalaya Police. Since after my retirement, I have been engaged here also for the security agency. And with the help of Mr. Arnold Lalang, I am also enjoying his work and maintaining very nicely of the security agency over here, because in Shillong town, in the other outskirts also, lot of security agency of the Tornado security has been working with the full satisfaction and full of proper security of the people. There are the two types of securities. One public securities, one private securities. Public securities is a security from the government agencies like police, CRPF and all the government agencies, and what of the private securities is a privatization only. But security system all are the same.
Te matang sing idon hani po training center jong ka Tornado training center po mayong rim ada iklai tarik Februari arajar arpulai tinggal pendep matang si ya ka feedback jong ka training jong ka Tornado training center tinga traditional ngai ku blai khna ke bala ada pas matang si begin lebet siing tekin yo hadin pat dari tu sertifikat kin pendon kam begin yo ya kam gajam dengan kit boket weng iki bakin kin min ani training center bagi me pa para penmen ki poi besok si sistem tangga tak boleh sibon next season next ke 6 batch ngin stang na do khalai tarik February te ngila don ki khna belawan te through this channel karpat la don ki khna be ko wan ban ai jingi ke yaladi yani sabusan singi soba ka por kadang don ban register yaladi haga ni ka Tornado training center.